morning, afternoon, and night. So I catch you whatever time you're at. And it's night, all right. It's like midnight. It's like midnight, and I just blew up the front end on my truck. Shit, puddle of oil. That's because there's a hole in the bottom of my front differential. The front drive line turns, but the axles don't turn. So I got another front end up in another truck I bought up on the hill for $500. So check that out. The fucking rotors are perfect. Got brand new brakes, brand new rotors. Both sides. Look at that. Brand new brake, brand new rotors. Anyways, I'm pulling the front end out, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to get the other one down here and pull it out and throw it in here. Anyways, I'll let you know what's up. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share. Have a nice day. Have a nice life. Happy tow trucking, Silverados, and snow plowing, and Nissan trucks, and all that happy horse shit. Later. Bye.